பரமாத்மாவே நமஸ்தோம். ஸ்ரீ ஆஞ்சநேய பெருமானே நமோ நமோ நமஸ்தோம்.
அஞ்சனா தேவியின் மைந்தன் ஆஞ்சநேயமூர்த்திக்கு ஆத்மார்த்த அபிஷேகங்கள். நீண்ட ஆயுள் ஆரோக்கியம் கிடைக்க பால் அபிஷேகம். லக்ஷ்மி கடாட்சம் பெற்றிட சந்தன அபிஷேகம். செல்வம் பெருகிட பஞ்சாமிர்த அபிஷேகம். சந்ததி குடும்ப வளம் மேலோங்க தயிர் அபிஷேகம். கவலைகள் நீங்க குரல் வளம் சிறக்க தேன் அபிஷேகம். சகல ஐஸ்வர்யங்களும் அடைய இளநீர் அபிஷேகம். தூய வாழ்க்கை அமைந்திட நீர் அபிஷேகம்.
I first visited this temple. We did Abhishekam for Hanuman Swami. The first prayer I prayed here at the temple is regarding my child and his behavior and the behavioral changes that we wanted. Just after the first visit, we had a very, very positive experience in the temple. We felt like Hanuman was listening to whatever we were asking, and we could see a difference in Riyanshu's behavior in the next few months, and the behavioral change was just in the right direction and in the positive direction. And at that time, with his behavioral challenges, we were thinking whether we would have a second child or not. Then again, in the subsequent visits, we had our answers through Swami. Hanuman has been passing over those clarifications via Swami, and due to his blessings, we now have Adya. So she's 4 months old now. So it's been a very positive experience both for us, for our family, and personally me as well. I've been receiving clarifications for a lot of the questions that I wanted to get answers for. It's just not the family itself, but my personal well-being, my career growth has been quite a lot as well. The amount of growth that I have seen in the last 1.5 years has been tremendous. I would definitely recommend you all to come down to the temple, come by yourself, take the experience with you, and I'm sure you will have a really positive experience and you'll see the results as well. Swami is very close here to you, and he's there to bless you and answer all the questions that you have. You just have to believe in him and show the faith, and I'm sure you'll have the same experiences that I've been having.
வேல்ஸ் ஹனுமான் ஆலயத்தில் நித்திய பூஜைகளும் அபிஷேக ஆராதனைகளும் நடைபெறும் நேரம் பார்ப்பவர்களுக்கு பக்தி பரவசமூட்டும். ஆலய நிர்வாகத்திடம் தொடர்பு கொள்ள 0163988532 மற்றும் 0793119463